Good afternoon or good morning, whatever time of the day it is in your wonderful area. Thought I'd do something different, giving the birds broccoli and strawberries. Now they do like the broccoli. I give them corn on the cob too. What I discovered, I have to peel the kernels off and they'll eat it. So let's see if they're going to try the strawberries. Now, snow already started. Sometimes the other birds will follow. That's Moonlight. He's thinking. He's thinking. And I guess they're all trying to decide, should we do it? Should we wait? What is Mom trying to do? Okay, there's Samuel. I tell you what Mom's trying to do. She's trying to give you healthy food so you can live long and be healthy. Do y'all appreciate what I do for you? No, you don't. And I cleaned your cage yesterday, and because I gave you fresh fruits and vegetables, I'm gonna have to clean it again. Sorry, I had a moment. I will be okay. They're really, really precious little babies. They're so quiet, I forget I have them. All right, thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.